Hello guys, welcome to DATAHACKS. In this video, I'm gonna explain about Usestate. Usestate is nothing but used to manage the states in your application. But we can only use in the functional components. If your application is more complex, then you have to go for the state management tools like Redux. So we also call the state management tool as a state variable. A state is nothing but data or property to track the level of the application. The flow of the use state is: first, user can view the front end and he will make action. This action will trigger the change in a state. The change in a state will trigger the change in the front end or web application or browser. So this is the flow of use state. Let's start the practical demonstration. First, I will explain about the basic structure of use state. First of all, I am going to import use state. Use state. After this, I am going to create a variable constant data and assign use state. So, and I am going to console dot log the data. So we have assigned the use state to the data and we are consoling this. So next, I am going to open the terminal and trigger the application. Let's wait for a few seconds. So after you can see here we are in a home page and I am going to inspect and open the console. Here we have the array for the data. We have two values, one is undefined, another one is function. So here the use state assign a array. So here I want to destructure the array. So we are using array, so we have to use with the square brackets. I am assigning the undefined to the data and the function as a set data. So this data, this first value will store the value from use state and this second one is a function which is used to update the data. Next, we are going to see about the basics of the use state. So here we have seen the what is structure of the use state. Then in the on click function, I am going to set data and going to provide a value as a 9. So I am going to provide the value for as a 7 in a use state. Let's go to the front end and I want to change this home with a state data. If we go to the front end, you can see value 7. I am going to refresh. So here you can see 7 and here also you can see 7. So if we click, in the meantime it has changed to 9. Here also we have changed it to 9. So for your clear understanding, I am going to here I am going to provide a style with a margin 90, margin 100 pixel. So if we go to front end, now you can see here the value clearly. So we have value 7. If I click, it going to be changed to 9. This is the basic usage of use state. Now I am going to explain about the advanced usage of use state. here we have assigned only one value. Instead of this, I am going to use the object first name, and here set data is equal to first equal to full name. So here in our data we should mention the key value, then only it will print. So first, if we go to front end, we can see the first name. If I click, it's converted into full name. So next, I am going to provide the another key value pair. So second. So after this, second name, if we go to front end and if I click this one, it has successfully converted to full name. But we see here, before clicking we have two values, but after clicking we have only one value. It update only the value which we have mentioned here. So we have to overcome this one. For this we have to use the spread operator. Spread operator data. This spread operator will bring all the values to this object, and if we update the particular value, it will update the particular value in the already present value. So now we can go and refresh. You can see we have two values. After updating, the first name changed to full name and this one is second name. So it has updated the values successfully. Next, I am going to explain how to use array. Array 1, 2, 3. So here also we should use array. So 4. Here I am going to remove this key values, keys. Here it is object. Here we don't have object, only array. So we don't need to use keys. So here 1, 2, 3. After clicking, it converted to 4. But in the same way, it is not updating the already present values. In the same way, here also we are going to use the spread operator. It will bring all the values and it will update the values we have mentioned here. So let's see. I am going to refresh the page. Here 1, 2, 3. After clicking, it has updated the value. Here you can see all the values has been updated. Now we have reached the final part of this video. Please provide your valuable thoughts and comments in your comment section. If you like this video, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. You will get the updates on every video regularly. Thank you for watching Data Hacks.